being in these conversations about their dreams or what they want to do in the world, and how you can support them, that is a piece of empowerment. I'm Dena Patton, co-founder of the Girls Rule Foundation.
New this morning, brilliant, beautiful, and bold. That's the motto of the Valley nonprofit Girls Rule. Joining us live to tell us more about the foundation is Dena Patton.
We are based in Arizona. We're a 501c3 organization, and we offer empowerment and leadership programs for girls ages 12 to 18. And we focus on educating girls in 3 key areas: self-esteem skills, leadership skills, and financial career skills. Girls are ready to lead. Women typically learn leadership skills around the ages of 28 to 32 instead of 12 to 18. That's 20 years too late. So we must start younger if we want more women to be leaders. I love when girls start businesses. And one of the, just side note of our summer camp is girls, it's an 8-day summer camp. And on day 1, they start the business. And by day 8, they sell the business. And it is an incredible, we use that as the platform to teach all of our skills and our leadership. And when the last summer camp we were able to do before COVID, that group of girls, they started a restaurant. And these girls knew nothing about starting a restaurant, and they branded it, they built it, they started the menu, they chose the food. We trained them in how to be a waiter and how to run. And then we sold tickets on day 8 so that people could come and eat at their restaurant. And we had over 100 people that night, and it was unbelievable. And just think, you're a 13 or 15-year-old girl, you just in 8 days learned how to run a restaurant and then sold tickets and had this successful night. So it just plants those seeds of like, yes, I can take an idea, I can take skills, and I can do something that creates value in the world, and I can sell that. Social emotional learning is, in the 5 that we use, is self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. So those 5, in addition to our 12 leadership principles, I think every parent, leader, coach, teacher wants that for our girls. We just don't necessarily know how to give that, right? Like, how do we teach that? So why I'm so passionate about our dreamLAB program is once you have a stand for girls and you're like, man, I know this makes a difference when girls have these tools on their tool belt, it's all about taking action. We made dreamLAB to be plug and play. The thing that we kept hearing from teachers and principals is, don't give us framework and then have us create the program. Give us a plug and play program. But I'm passionate about giving teachers, especially teachers and parents, here, we've done it. It took us 2 years to write that curriculum. Here's a 12-week program you can do. So that's our whole intention, is getting people an affordable program that they can do with their girls. If you're interested in dreamLABs, going to dreamlab4girls.org is our website. Learn about that program. If you can't afford our program, email us, info@girlsrulefoundation.org. And I'd love to have a conversation with you. I don't ever want someone not to do this program because they can't afford it. So that's part of my job, is to find sponsors and donors who, they have money, but they don't have time. I just say this is, girls right now are ready to lead. They don't have the tools. and they don't have the platform often. And so think of, again, not necessarily dreamLAB, but in your own life, how can you give your girl an opportunity to lead? Maybe in your own home, right? Maybe there's a project in your home or a family trip coming up or a project at school that you can say, you know what, Jessica, I want you to lead this project. Those little opportunities for girls to lead and lend their voice and lend their gifts. That's where we can start right now.
What are the ways that you support girls changing the world around them? Comment those below and find a variety of no-cost SEL resources to support your students at everfi.com/K-12. We highly recommend exploring the Compassion Project, Character Playbook, and Mental Wellness Basics for your classroom.